If GIMP is giving you a permission error when you try to save, don't worry. This is usually a Windows security setting, a cloud sync problem, or the wrong save method inside GIMP. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you can get back to editing and saving your work normally. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and helpful guides. Let's jump in. First, if you are on Windows, the most common reason GIMP cannot save files is Windows Defender Control Folder Access. This feature is designed to protect your user folders from ransomware, but sometimes it blocks apps like GIMP from writing to your documents or pictures folders. To fix that, click the Windows Start menu and search for Controlled Folder Access. Open it when it appears in the search results. Inside the Controlled Folder Access settings, look for the option that says Allow an app through Controlled Folder Access. Click that, then choose Add an allowed app. From there, browse to the GIMP program file and select gimp.exe. Once you allow GIMP through, Windows should stop blocking it from saving to protected folders. After adding GIMP, try saving your project again. If the permission error was caused by Windows Defender, this should solve the problem right away. If you still see the issue, there's another very common cause, especially if you use OneDrive or another cloud sync service. If you're saving directly into a OneDrive synced folder, that can sometimes create file lock or sync permission conflicts. GIMP may try to save the file, but OneDrive can interfere while syncing in the background. The easiest fix is to move your file to a local folder first. For example, save it to your local C drive or create a brand new folder on your desktop that is not being synced. Then open the file from that local folder and work on it there. Once you are done editing, you can export or copy the finished file back into OneDrive if needed. This simple step fixes a lot of GIMP permission errors that look like save problems but are actually cloud sync conflicts. Now let's cover the general file fix that applies on all systems. If you are trying to overwrite an existing image, you need to make sure the file is not read-only and that you are using the correct save option in GIMP. A very common mistake is trying to use save on a PNG or JPG file and expecting GIMP to overwrite it like a normal image editor. In GIMP, save is mainly for XCF project files, which preserve layers and editing data. If you want to keep your editable project, use File then Save, and save it as an XCF file. But if your goal is to overwrite or replace a PNG or JPG, you need to use File then Export as. That is the correct way to output a standard image file from GIMP. Choose the same file name if you want to replace the old image, then confirm the export settings. If the file still won't overwrite, double-check that the original image is not set to read-only and that no other program is currently using it. Sometimes, the file may be open in another app, which can also trigger a permission error. Close anything that might be accessing the image, then try exporting again. So to recap, if GIMP is showing a permission error on Windows, first allow it through Controlled Folder Access. Second, move your work out of OneDrive or any synced folder and save locally instead. And third, remember the difference between save and export As, because GIMP uses save for XCF files and export As for PNG, JPG, and other image formats. Once you make those changes, GIMP should be able to save normally again without the permission error. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.